What's going on, everybody? I'm Elijah here, and I want to thank you so much for tuning into my YouTube channel today. Today, I have a few things that I want to show y'all. I have 3 packages of clothes and 1 pair of shoes to show off to y'all today. So let me go ahead and show you what they look like. Here's the 3 packages of clothes, and here's the pair of shoes that I want to show y'all. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into it. This first thing, I already opened up all 3 packages, which I shouldn't have done because I should have really honestly looked at the packaging label to it. But the first thing that I have is a flannel from Abercrombie & Fitch. I saw this whenever I was up there the other day. Just a nice little flannel, red, or a peachy red, you know what I mean. Just something that's really cool. A really cool pattern to it. I got it for I think $22, something like that. I kind of got a 2X just because it was a bit snug on me when I had the XL on, which is what I normally wear. And if I would have gotten that and washed it, and it kind of would have shrunk on me. But it's not a bad flannel. Something I would honestly rock all the time. But yeah, here's the first thing. The next thing that I have for y'all today is this pair of pants that I ordered from Minimal. Minimal is a clothing brand. They specialize in their jeans, but that's what they're mainly known for. Packaging label. But I really like the way they package their things. As you can see, it says Minimal right here on it. I look that way, but they had a sale on their S denim, which is their stretch denim for like $30. And if you know anything about Minimal, they price their stuff at like $70 almost for a pair of jeans, which is not bad because you get what you pay for. I haven't tried a pair of these before. Just a nice clean pair of jeans. They are known for their M denim, which is their pair of jeans that has, right here on the knee with all the distressing and stuff. And not that I don't mind it, it's just I kind of want it, every now and then, just a clean pair of jeans that I could wear all the time. A nice wash. I love the way this looks. Very, very soft, high quality. You can feel it whenever you have them in hand. I went for a 36, 32, or size 36. And I love it. Again, I haven't tried them before, but I will keep you updated on them. Another thing about them is that they specialize in their zipper pants, which is zippers down by the ankles, so you can kind of either stack your jeans the way you want it to, or want to give it a nice little touch. You can zip it apart and show off some of your ankle and show off your shoes if you want, kind of deal. But yeah, Minimal right here. Shout out to Paul or Locust on Wild Honey for giving me a discount code to use for this. This is my first pair. Again, I got it for $30, then used this code, and it was like $27 when they retail for like $64. If you add tax, it's like almost $70. So almost half off. I can't complain, honestly. Great pair of jeans. You can feel it whenever you first touch them. But yeah, Minimal jeans. I definitely will be copying more in the future soon. This next one I want to talk to y'all about for a little bit. It's called Menlo Club, Menlo House. I did go ahead and get this. I did have quite a bit of an issue with them. My first package I got with Jose Zuniga, Teaching Men's Fashion, if you know anything about him. And he was offering this discount code where you can get a full outfit from head to toe, shirt, shoes, pair of jeans, and some socks. Well, long story short, they didn't put that code on there. They doubled my order. So I called them back after I got this, and still the shoes weren't there after I told them, which found out my order was canceled. And then anyways, long story short, they're going to send me them, and they'll be getting in here Monday. But anyways, with all that aside, you kind of get this tissue paper when it first gets here. Sorry, it's kind of messed up. I already went ahead and looked inside. I haven't really looked at the clothes, honestly. But what Menlo House is they have 3 brands. They have 5-4, Grand AC, and New Republic. All in-house brands. And each month, for $60, they send you their clothes, which they hand pick for you each month. But you can tell them what you want. You can tell them that you are very casual, you're more dressy, or a little bit mixed. And then with your colors, you can tell them that you want to keep it monotoned, out there, mixed. Switch up your style. But for $60 a month, you can get a pair of clothes, or a shirt and a pair of pants. And for the month of March, they sent out a polo tee, or polo button down, I'm sorry. And really nice quality button down that you can see right here. It's kind of like this navy, why am I saying navy? I'm sorry. A very, very light blue button down, which is a nice quality. And if you're a guy that doesn't really like to shop, honestly, like you don't like to go out and shop for your own clothes, you can sign up to this right here, and each month you can get their deal, or their package deal that they have, which is for this month of April. They have, I believe it was a polo, a pair of khaki jeans, a pair of shoes, and if I think you were a certain member, you can get what was it? I think it was another button down, another shirt or something. But if you're just a casual member, or a casual person, a mixed whatever, you can get a backpack. But it just kind of depends on each month. Like I said, they have 3 brands. They have Grand AC, which is their athletic brand, 5-4, which is their bit more dressier side, and then New Republic, which is their shoe brand. And they just send out stuff each month to you based on those 3 brands. And for $60, you can, you can't feel it, but I can feel the quality, and you can feel the quality when you get it in. But yeah, just a nice light blue button down. As you can see right there, it says 5-4 right there, size extra large, my size, and it's really nice. I love the quality on it. Definitely something I'll be wearing for sure. I'm kind of trying to change up my style every now and then. But here are the pair of pants that they sent. It's a pair of khakis, which I'm kind of glad, or a pair of chinos, because I've been trying to get a pair of them. Because I'm trying to switch up my style, if you know what I mean. Trying to change things up. But yeah, just a pair of khaki chinos, or khaki pair of pants. 5-4 right there. Size 36, which is my size. And yeah, man, I just love what they do. And again, for $60 a month, you can't beat that for almost a full outfit. And that's crazy. You can go to the mall most times, and sometimes for just a shirt or a pair of pants is the full price of what this is, and you get 2 items or more each month, just depending on what they put in their package deal. But I mean, I like to go shopping, so it's not the same for me as it would be for any of y'all guys out there. But yeah, I'm just happy with them, and beside all the issues I'm having, but I love it. And in my opinion, you can feel the quality whenever you get it in. For $60, again, 60. I know it sounds a lot, but you get what you pay for with this, and you won't be disappointed in my eyes. To me, at least. Alright, so now let's get into these shoes. I know most of y'all won't like it. These are a pair of Nikes, but like I said, I know most of y'all won't like these. I love the shoe. I loved it when it first came out. And I actually walked in the Finish Line up in Fort Smith and saw these, and they were almost half off retail. And I got them for $60, right? I think I got it for $60, something like that. Sorry, let me check. Yeah, I got it for $60, and these retail for 100. So I almost got them half off for what they originally are. And they kind of are based off. I know how most of y'all feel about these shoes, but if you know anything about these are the Monarchs. I love the Monarch. In my eyes, they're comfortable. They're the dad shoe, if you want to call them. But these are the updated version, I guess you could say, of the Air Monarch. They are called the Nike M2K Techno. As you can see right there, Nike M2K Techno, size 12, my size. And these are the updated version. And you can kind of see some similarities between the two of them. Again, here's the original Air Monarch, and here's the updated one. You can kind of see some similarities. Let me back up. You can kind of see some similarities. The only difference is, as you can see on the shoe, is there's just only one swoosh. There isn't really anything too crazy about it. Versus on here, you can kind of see a littler, my bad, but littler swoosh on the side of the shoe. You can kind of see an extra swoosh added here on the back. It's kind of got like this, I don't know, feels like plastic, but I'm not sure, but a plasticky heel counter on the back side. And you got Nike, Nike there branded on the tongue, versus here it just says Air Monarch right there on the pull tab, or the tongue, tongue. And I know it's not nothing crazy, no fancy no fancy colors or anything like that, but in my eyes, I love the shoe even if it was crazy colors. I love it when it first came out because, again, I don't know, I just love that dad shoe vibe, in my opinion. I love the way they look. I know that it's not a shoe that everybody would like, because not everybody wears dad shoes, and dad shoes is that trend now that everybody is wearing. But anyways, the materials on here is just leather on the top part, and kind of around the ankle part of the shoe. You kind of got this neoprene feel to it. Same thing on the tongue. You got your regular laces right here. And again, I don't know. I don't know what it is. I really love these dad shoes because, yeah, they may look clunky and big on your foot, but in my eyes and in my humble opinion, I think they're better than most shoes. And I'm a huge fan of Vans, but if I didn't wear Vans, honestly, and I just had these, I would wear them. Nothing that there's anything wrong with Vans. I love Vans. Vans are my favorite shoes ever. But, I mean, I would wear this any day. As you saw in that last video I had last time of the Young 96s, I love that shoe. Again, it's that kind of dad shoe trend, and they're kind of bringing back those 90 vibes with some of the shoes. I don't think this is a 90s shoe, honestly. But I do know that 90s shoes were clunky, so I mean, this could fit in the 90s era. But again, it's just a cool shoe in my eyes, because I love that clunky dad shoe, the barbecue shoes, the lawn mowing shoes. But again, I love these shoes. Again, black and white, you can wear them with almost anything that you wear. Light pair of jeans, dark pair of jeans, shorts, whatever. And if you don't believe me, that's fine. I don't care. But besides the Air Force One, from what I was reading on Nike's website, the Air Monarch is Nike's best-selling shoe ever. Not Jordan, because I know Jordan has connections to Nike. But this is one of the best shoes that they've ever sold. And you can believe me if you don't want to. That's fine. I don't care. But I will say that it is true. I looked it up, and I was shocked because I thought there would be other shoes that would outsell this. But this shoe has been around forever. But anyways, that's it for today. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. If you don't like it, that's fine. Give me a thumbs down if you don't like it. If you want to see more content like this, more clothes involved, I'll be doing shoes, obviously. But if you want to see more clothes and kind of give y'all updates on each month from the Menlo house, like the packages each month, I can do that as well. But again, like I said, I want to kind of switch things up on this channel besides just doing shoes all the time. Obviously, I want to include men's fashion and other things as well. But yeah, man, again, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're new, and also click that bell that's right there beside the subscribe button so you can be notified every single time I drop a video on this channel. But until next time, y'all, thank you so much for tuning in, and hope to see y'all next time. Peace.